maybe hitting one-to-ones more or paying myself more. I want to be able to take a little more profit since I'm not trading all that often. If I was doing bullshit trades and I was trading like every fucking day, like 2 or 3 trades a day, then no, I'd keep my risk low. But I'm hitting pretty high confidence trades and I'm hitting them not that often, so I want to start fucking making some real money.
Take a fucking payout.
Yeah, get scaling. How these last couple months have been, man. I haven't taken a payout in a minute.
Same.
Or us.
Shit happens.
Shit happens more than it doesn't here. Yeah, I'm gonna test some shit, dude. I'm gonna test some shit with that algo. I think I can get it to swing. I think I can take the daily swings. It's like I noticed that it maybe doesn't win all that often. Like maybe it's like a 40 to 50% chance, win rate. And but when it fucking wins, dude, a lot of times it doesn't retrace back to where it entered and it just goes on these insane runs.
Like gold.
Yeah, kind of. Honestly, if I could figure out a way to set it up on gold, that would be even better.
Thanks.
But that would be really hard. Don't really want to do that yet. Pretty sluggish open.
I hope it'll continue just fire.
I would like it if we just whoop drop from here. Boop boop bop
Yeah.
bop beep. Just send down. Damn, I have a fucking just bit the shit out of my lip one too many times. Now I got a big ass sore on it. It fucking hurts. Hurts. It annoys me when I talk. I have to like talk with a lisp if I want to be comfortable. Damn, we actually really chugged up after yesterday.
I know.
Crazy.
But,
Well, I thought going up was bad until I saw what going down was.
I think you get set up if you went down.
I think so too. I think when price was actually retracing on the daily and weekly, we were getting shittier fucking PA. Way shittier PA than when we were just fucking around at all time highs. All time highs sucked, but at least they were fucking predictable.
No, I'd rather trade all time highs than this.
And I thought that's saying something because I thought all time highs was like the worst trading I'd ever seen until the last couple of months came along, dude.
No, literally. Just pump up. No reason.
Need reactions here. Need some fucking reactions, bro. So the problem is I don't know if I want to start implementing the strategy right now. I don't know if I want to do it on a 50K. B, I don't know if I want to do it on after we literally 2 days ago we had a 23-point run. So I don't know if I want to fucking go and I mean, what are the odds they happen like that? Like not back to back, but like that close together, you know.
Mm.
I almost need to do it with like a fresh account and a fresh stop loss and fresh drawdown. But then I think, honestly, I think that could make a fuck ton of money. Because I only lose like maybe last month was heavy, and I think I lost like 2 grand in losses, and then the wins would have been 6 or 7K. I don't know. I'd have to do the fucking math. That's assuming you don't trail it at all, you know? You just wait until it hits your target, you know, fucking 20 points away, or your stop 2 points away.
Oh my gosh, I'm so done with this procrastination. It's just so fucking boring.
What do we got on the 50, man? I mean, we could definitely take this. I bet the goal for today is to push up 80 points or so and take this high.
Yeah.
You really well. Also keep in mind we have fucking PMI, bud,
Yeah, no.
and that's a big report. PMI is a fat girl. Best memory. Right under my noise gate. Not the reaction I wanted.
Yeah, if we just bump up all the way to this high before anything comes out, I just not trip.
I don't mind this high actually if we take it and then get reactions off it. But yeah, at that point we'd be taking a high inside a daily fair value gap. We'll almost definitely get reactions off of that. That's a prominent fucking 4 hour daily high right there. Probably even fucking, it's a weekly high, actually. Monthly high. Oh. I bet you PMI sweeps it and then reacts off it. And gives us no entry. I'd love to knock out 1 to 10 RRs though. That'd be so much fun. Stressful though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, because a lot of them run into like the middle of the afternoon. Which means I would ideally keep trailing the stop. Unless I make it all automatic. And that also means I have to keep my computer on.
Yeah, you don't really keep your computer on all day long.
I guess I don't care. I will. Not in my bedroom. It's not gonna fucking heat the. It'll heat my office up, but fucking. As long as it's not like in my bedroom, I can just not pay attention to it. I don't really need it for anything other than trading, to be honest with you. Ooh, this is interesting.
Excuse me, I like to see.
Baby, feel me tonight as we dance in the moonlight. That's an old GTA song.
Just try to say that.
I got it on my EDM house mix. Trying to play something a little more cheery. When I listen to rap and trade, I get angry quicker.
For sure.
Take a page out of TJ's book.
Yeah.
Fucking EDM bops.
Dude, it's a vibe, bro. I don't mind.
This is interesting. I have a potential trade here.
Shorts.
Yeah. Not something I really want though. It's a bit skimpy for me. I'm all for skimpy, but typically only with women.
Oh boy, that's not good either.
I don't like my trades. Alright, okay, I'll rephrase myself. Not women themselves, women's clothing. I don't need a fucking skimpy women, dude. Jeez.
Okay.
Alright, there's the fill. I wonder if I'll get reactions off this. I'm not taking it. It's not the worst in the world. But it's just not something I really want right now. Stop's too tight on it. 7 points? What's 7 points? 7, 10, 5? It's a 7 fucking point stop. I don't want a 7 point stop. If I'm being real with you. It's just too tight. My stop loss isn't even on the other side of the fucking fair value gap. That's just the way it sets up too. I mean, I can't do shit about it. Baby, see me tonight. What's with the fucking lack of reactions off this thing, eh?
Yes, is in a bullish 5 minutes. And we get assist on our 15 minutes of the upside.
Yeah, no, I really don't want this. Yes, isn't a bullish 5 minute, you said?
Well, ES was. So it's like technically like a fair value gap SMT.
Yeah, I don't want this. This is just way too choked for me. Creepy. It'll probably play out though, I'm not gonna lie. At this point, I would just need it to dump back down to that fair value gap. That's where I would have the target at. But dude, at this point, the target or my fill and my my stop would be 3 fucking points. I'm a sniper. I'm not that fucking. I'm not trying to take that shot. It might not even fucking. I don't know. I don't want it. Sketchy times. Dude, I'll tell you what though, this gap is fucking holding though. I'm willing to bet this trade will work. It's just not a trade I really want. Mostly because that 1 minute just fucking came in and it kind of fucked my aura. 4 points. Like, it would have been so close to stopping me out, like, so many fucking times. It'll honestly probably wick this gap and then head the fuck down. If it closes up here, that's nuts. Without a hard fucking rejection back down. That's crazy. Alright, there's the hard rejection. I'm gonna fucking say, dude, there's no way we just pump the fuck up like this. No, not my trade. I'm backing off this shit. I'm deleting the whole thing. It was sketchy to begin with, because technically it wasn't my true setup. I just had something kind of adjacent that I could maybe play with, but it's not something I really want. Even though we will retrace that gap right now, and technically, it will win. It's not my jam. I need to quit fucking around with this fucking tool. Not sure. There you go. There's target. Yeah, it would have wicked you out, man. It would have fucked you like 2 times before it gave you your target. Not my trade. That one was sketchy as shit. Winners like that might as well be a fucking loser.
We're probably we're probably gonna open this 15-minute bullish gap. News will come out. We're gonna tap that, and we're just gonna fucking skyrocket.
Yeah, what I really need is I really need fucking a big cyst.
Our time frame sis.
Not even. I just need a bigger one than what we got on that fucking little 1 minute. I need one like the ES shows.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice sis right there.
Oh, yours look different than mine too. I forgot. I do the sweep ones, so looks a little bit different.
You got a sweep. That's not an internal.
I mean the sweep cyst where it needs like an internal sweep to fucking to trigger. I fucking also, you want to know on topic of what I really is annoying me lately? The alert system on fucking on NinjaTrader. It's just so crap.
Yeah.
The second I mess with alerts, I'm gonna get I can't get assist off this, never mind. This guy, I don't know how Hey Brother is EDM, but it's not a bad song, I guess. I don't think Avicii really fits in the EDM. There's a reaction off the top. That's not bad.
Yeah. Pretty bearish as never mind. Oh no, why does it look different? Oh no.
I don't think this works all that well. The fourth?
I mean, we got an internal sweep. Oh no, taking this close is sketchy.
Operator? Fuck is this a Rainbow 16? What do I need a fucking operator or what? I don't know, man. Mm, 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 mm. I know a sad story. Oh,
5 minutes until who's come out.
Kelter Channel.
Telling you, if we inverse this gap, or we come up and we get another sweep, I'm definitely going short. If NFP, like, or if PMI doesn't fuck us up, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, you need to add a fucking action. I'm so fucking dumb. You don't have preset sound files? Okay. Well, they do. Okay. Let's see if that works. I know you had to add in a fucking alert sound. That's so dumb, dude. It's like I thought if I was setting up an alert and I set it to sound, that it would play a sound just by setting up the alert, but you have to fucking add in the sound. Dude, Ninja Trader is so fucking like insanely analog, it's nuts. Especially if I'm gonna go in with more risk, I can be a little more picky.
Yeah. That's kind of how I was being too. But I mean,
I'm trying to clear those $1,000 days, yo.
I haven't had $1,000 day in a minute. Well, I had one last week.
It would have been
But
last month. I think I had a $1,200 day. Then downhill from there. Guess it was the very first of the fucking month.
damn. Hmm.
Oh, never mind. Sorry, that was. Oh, it was. Uh, being like. Okay, it was last month. I had one last month. Well, I had a few last month, but I had a $1,200 day last month. Or sorry, April.
I used to
Jesus.
fucking bang those now. Just bang $1,000 days. Like, doing like 2 grand, 3 grand sometimes.
Dude, if you're really swinging, it's not that bad. Play it in the whole, if you take the whole move.
Yeah. Or you just catch a small move with fucking 3 minis.
Yeah, right. I need to go hit some golf balls.
Same twin.
Tell you what, dude, as far as like trading, even with trading psychology goes, golf just keeps me disciplined.
Yeah.
If I'm swinging well, because dude, like every single part of my mind wants me to swing hard, you know? But if I go out there and I'm swinging well, controlling it well, boy, I play so fucking well.
It's not a lot of stuff in life is.
Yeah, I know. A lot of stuff, pretty much any skill.
Yeah. It's just like, yeah.
I've been unmotivated as fuck in the gym lately. I don't know why, bro, but I've just been the pre-workout's not been hitting. I've been crashing like fucking after my warm up. And I get out there and I'm just fucking like so tired. It's such a grind to get through everything. I get through it and I keep the weight as I have in the past, but holy fuck, it's a grind. It's been taking me a while lately. I don't buzz through it like I fucking used to. Probably honestly due to the market conditions. It's all
I was just about to say
Dude,
that.
I'm fucking like partially depressed because of this fucking bullshit.
No, same, dude. I feel you.
I need to get over it though, because it's like that shit happens. I can't just be feeling good when I'm riding the market, riding the highs.
Yeah, that's what I try not to do. Hey, 5 seconds, and we're either gonna
Let's get an
fuck
internal sweep.
or get fucked.
You're not in a
Let's
trade, are
see.
you?
Oh shit!
I wasn't expecting that. It's crashing so fucking hard. I can't even see the candle load.
It's not even keeping up.
It
Holy
just fucking
shit.
yeeted down in the bottom, bro. Holy fuck. That's an SMT too. Oh no, it's not. My bad. I thought yes, took the lower lows. It didn't.
Damn.
Actually, you know what? If we want to fucking pipe down to these lows down here, I don't mind buys off the lows. Oh,
That's not feeling.
I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take anything in the next 5 minutes.
No, fuck no.
But that was my other play today. If I didn't get shorts off the highs, I don't mind longs off these lows with the 15-minute supporting. Got 2 hourly gaps supporting and 2 levels of liquidity down inside hourly gaps. I don't fucking mind that at all. Actually, I almost prefer it over shorts. I feel like we're over, I feel like we've just been going up a lot lately.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, dude. Probably at least another 15 minutes, actually.
Yeah, for sure. You got to get this thing to develop a little bit now. And that might be it, too. It might just go up from here. I would hope it targets some actual, like, big liquidity instead of this little bitch fucking low made at, like, 926. But that's all it wants. That's all it wants, I guess. It would leave me unsatisfied, but maybe that's all she's hungry for.
Took out a fuck ton of liquidity, but I mean, that's just. We haven't been taking out actual fucking liquidity recently. We take out a fucking low. And that's it.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. I would like the draw to be lower. I'm not taking shit off this liquidity sweep. I don't like this at all. We're still at bearish fucking price. I'd like to be able.
Fucking shorts. I'd like to take shorts right now, but this needs to set up.
You'd have brass balls on your fucking dick if you fucking took shorts right now.
Yeah, no. Dude, because fucking. Yes is still holding this 15-minute gap. Yes is a bunch of bullish confluences.
Yeah, it does. Wow. ES has made a lot less efficient than fucking NQ has. Making a fuck ton of gaps.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm waiting
Yeah, I was
for.
hoping
I'm still trying to believe that these lower liquidity levels down here are the draw.
that's what I thought, honestly, coming into the day.
That's what it looks like now, even going down here.
Oh, dude, if we can get a gap here, bro, I would actually like to take this. But it's just ES, bro. But I think.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd take shorts this low though, man. Look how close you are to all this fucking liquidity being swept. Like, where are you gonna ride it to? The real draw? Is that your plan?
Yeah, that's what I always try to do.
Yeah. That's you, man. That's I guess that's I won't speak on a strategy I don't use.
Let's see if we enough a gap here. We might even want another like internal sweep, honestly.
I was hoping we'd at least push a bit and get me a fucking better sweep than this. This is ass. This doesn't look like it wants to be a real sweep, you know. This looks like this is just a little fake out, trying to get people to buy, and then it's gonna dump through them and take them out. Which it already kind of did. I mean, it's only the people that have their stop loss below this wick now. But I'll bet a bunch of people fucking bought this up. You can even tell. Just read the fucking candle.
Yeah. Dang, bro, don't get dumb. Give us a retrade. We're gonna dump, aren't we?
We're gonna dump.
Yeah, no retrades.
You got your limit at that inverse? Or sorry, that yeah.
I haven't put it in yet.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could just float it. That's nice.
Let's see.
Long, yeah.
I might even market order this, depending on if like how strong we come up to this. But I think we might just fucking shit.
It's time to pay attention to the fucking algo. Fire going. I mean, this will be one of those days where it just dumps to 20 points, but I don't know. I doubt it.
Yeah, I think I might just dump here. I mean, that pullback would be nice too. Yeah, we're gonna go to these fucking lows.
Oh yeah, dude. That was decided long ago. I want to see if my alert works though. That's what I'm psyched about. There's low number one. Come on, alert. Come on, alert. Life alert. I've fallen in a... Hey, fuck yeah. That was a doorbell, but it fucking worked. All right. I'm never missing a fucking algo trade again. That was dope. Dude, I'm so psyched actually for that.
That's funny.
Dude, I used to miss it. Now a doorbell's gonna play every time it fucking crosses this line, and I can't fucking miss it. I was so fucking annoyed by that shit. Alright, low number one, baby. Low number one. See if we can flush down to this next low. Preferably after I get filled on this trade.
Hey, bro, that's a good entry unless you're trading the fucking 15-second time frame.
It'll probably pull back before it just flushes to this low, I'd like to say. No way we just dick candle down there.
I hope we get a pullback, bro. How strong we're pushing right now.
Holy shit, dude. We're fucking pushing with like a Trojan horse push. Yeah. Alright, well that's what I wanted to see, so hopefully we just stop there. No more.
I doubt it, bro.
We got one more low in like the middle of this fucking gap.
Yeah, and we're gonna take this next low.
80 ticks.
You also have an SMT, but honestly, I expect us to just run through it. Or create another SMT.
I don't know. I don't mind. I just want to see reactions, man. I don't mind this right now. As long as we keep fucking. As long as
I
we
just want
keep
to see a
reacting.
fucking fullback.
Wait, we were like 5 points off the next level though. So innocent now. Please don't flush this. I would get very sad very quickly.
And I'll probably hop off if we just do. But you could honestly, if we don't, you both might even be able to get a long setup off of this. Sure. I'm gonna wait for our 15 minutes to close.
Ain't looking good.
Stuff filled.
Ain't looking good. I think that's all she wrote for this one. I need to do more backtesting on this shit. I want to fucking turn this into a swing method. I really do. I really, really do. How is that not the fucking low?
No, bro. But I'm telling you,
Holy shit. I mean,
the
sorry.
longs.
Wait. What?
Are we really just gonna get a complete like retracement?
Yeah, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Blew the fuck through the algo trade. Blew the fuck through that bitch. Left it in the fucking dust. This is actually setting well up for my strategy, though. Oh, let's go. Yeah, no, 0 on that.
It was that. What in low? Yeah.
Didn't even get fucking. They got 1.75 points. That's kind of ass. Well, now I got an alert system too. That's fucking sick. I like the alert system. Alert system's really cool, actually. Ding dong every time it crosses that line. That's fucking sick. I just wish Ninja Trader didn't fucking suck so much dick to back test on.
Trader.
Yeah, dude. I've met college girls that suck fucking less dick than Ninja Trader.
That's crazy. Yeah, I think we're probably gonna accumulate right now for a little bit.
Ugh.
Tipping assists are fun.
Yeah, that's what I want. That point, that's what I'm waiting for. I already got bent over by the algo today, so I'm waiting for my chance to bend over myself. I guess I do the bending over. I guess that's probably the better way to put that. You know, I swear, I'm gonna swing this fucker. I think she's ready to be swung.
You think?
No, I have no idea. But I'm hoping so. If there's at least fucking, all I need is 2 a month. I need 2 a month. If I get 3 a month, then fucking I'm scot free. If I get like, you know, times where it goes to like 13 and then retraces and I get like 5 points instead, that's just free money. I think there's gonna be a lot of. The only thing is, it just fucking it loses so much. I need to swing with it. There's no way I can just hold this without swinging. The problem is swinging in the summer months looks a lot different than swinging in the winter months. Price was so fucking slow in the winter. The weird thing is the fucking your RR has to stay the same. My stop loss does too. I guess I could go 1 point stop loss for a 10 point target. Keep it a 1 to 10. I think I'd have to.
That'd be.
Well, do you remember February when the fucking ATR was like 2?
Yeah.
Remember that? And it was moving like barely moving, and whenever you went into fucking you normal trade, your normal risk was like 5 minis.
Yeah.
You remember that bullshit? Dude, I was entering
Yes.
trades with 5 minis. Like a lot, dude. It's crazy. Crazy time. Now it's like 3 or 4 micros. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's time to swing. I'm getting annoyed with the way this thing is set up currently. I'm gonna do my own thing. Nah, I'll experiment with it. I'm about to put it on a 150K account though. This little 50K bullshit is done. So if we do a trailing stopper like every 6 points it moves up 2, or every 4 points it moves up 2, we could do that. A 5-stage stop, trailing stop. Eight. Step one. Dude, the auto trail is so fucking weird. Two times 80. Oh man. I might burn through a whole fucking well, I burned through a whole fucking 50K before I actually get this thing to like actually like hit a trade.
That's unfortunate.
The only problem with that is we actually technically we got our first trade yesterday. It hit 23 points yesterday. So or sorry, 2 days ago. So if I start it right now, the probabilities are kind of stacked against me. Like I could break even this month, but usually maybe it hits probably like 2 to 5 of them a month. If like it hits 5, I'm fucking killing. If it hits 2, it's like not that great, but
Yours, nice. Nice trade. Did you get it like after close or like before? Wait, this is what time frame is this on? It's on the 1 minute. You took entry on 1 minute? Yeah, nice. Yeah, good trade.
9,993 cons.
Alright.
No, that was four. That was on 4x. So it's okay. That's lots. That makes so much more sense. I thought the second trade was fucking NQ. The first trade he put on was 4x, and it said 9,993 lots. I thought it was cons, and I was like, what the fuck? It's like, dude, you don't get more demo than that. Doing 1,000 fucking contracts on NQ. That would be crazy. That's actually I think impossible. I don't think you could even get filled. Your fill would be so spread out. I passed eval with this fucking algo in just the best month ever, apparently.
just said. Whatever close to me. Fucking chop gets fucked.
Change the
I
title.
think we'll chop around for a little bit.
Maybe what I'll do. Just have a fucking.
Dude, have you seen the fucking new build of the iPhone 17?
That looks a little odd.
Fucking retarded.
I just went and got a 16 Pro Max last year, so I'm probably not gonna be getting a new phone anyway. Not with the way I've been trained.
Oh fuck. I'm only on the 15 Pro Max. I actually might be looking for cell phones. Go for this though. We're about to get an SMT though, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Too bad I never got a setup.
Give one pull back. I might even put it right here. Give the pull back. Jeez, bro.
Yeah, this is not, unfortunately, nothing I can do with those.
because it's it's the just pump.
Share it on your screen. Let me look. Give me something to fucking watch.
I'm probably gonna create an SMT with this high, so position might just get close early right here.
Oh my god, dude. I'm like, this is just boring. I'm gonna fall asleep. Actually, I might start back testing. Oh no. No, because I'm gonna kick myself if I back test and then my setup shows up fucking 10 minutes or something. Big old pain in the ass. 1st of fucking June. Thing goes on a ripper. Yeah, this one fucking gave 23 points. This one gave... This one got... The stop got swept by... Let's see. It's 3.25 points. With the max move being... Dude, the max move yesterday was fucking astronomical. 36 points. Light it up. Oh boy, dude, I can't believe he took this, bro. You're gonna be grinding on forever. I'm gonna back test. I'm gonna try and back test fucking April with the swing strategy, and if it makes sense, dude, I'm gonna fucking swing this bitch. At least start with 15 points. I had 19. I only had one 19 and one 13. I think I go for 20, and I think I just trail it. I think that's the key. Crazy rejection.
Yeah, well, it's kind of crazy if the universe is 5 now on EA. It's not gonna lie. They haven't even taken out a fucking high yet. It's just crazy.
Well, we took out these little highs. Tiny little boy at 953.
Holy fuck, bro, this stuff is crazy.
Oh yeah, actually, I might get a setup here. It's good too, because otherwise I'm about to fall asleep.
You have a bunch of generated liquidity down there. Yeah, bro, just the way this is reacting is for it to be stopped, bro. This is tragic. How we just run through that gap.
You're gonna stop at the bottom of this gap.
Well, like just a little bit below that gap. But we got this big, oh, this is a big CIST.
You see,
Yeah.
I won't trade into this reaction, but if we can close this gap, I'll be a little more interested. Oh, which we won't. Damn, bruv.
guess we just didn't have a high time frame for value gap. And Q.
Not out of it yet. This is unfortunately looking a little more like a retracement to me. Unfortunately, I would like it to close below this gap for my sake, not for yours, but otherwise I'll probably be sitting this. Bibs aren't on your side.
Yeah.
Fucking 1 minute gaps, bro. Holy shit.
Rejection. Now we want to open gaps and fucking reject them. Gosh, bro. This price action is so fucking annoying.
Man, that was 1.75 points from that my fill too. Now I need to see a close below this shit.
You really just ran through that gap. Like it's nothing, bro. This shit is so fucking choppy, bro.
You know the worst part is?
See what I'm
It probably just swept you out. See it, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so now you want to give reactions. Wow.
Dude, that guy sounded exactly like you, bro. When he said that, I thought that was you.
I didn't say that. Or I was reading his comment.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought he fucking said that shit. I was like, damn, it sounds just like it. I thought you were done. You know the worst part is, dude? I think they fucking just wicked you out, and that's probably gonna go up from here.
I don't even know. This shit is so fucking choppy. Like, if you go to your 15-minute. We're not even, we don't take out actual fucking lows anymore. It's so annoying. We just run through these gaps. This. And now we're just gonna be in Chop City.
Oh, dude, this is booty. There you go. That's the close I needed anyway, but now it's just gone.
And the time that you actually get like a good CISD and retracement, it didn't even take out what you didn't even take out a fucking significant high, bro.
It's been not giving a fuck about significant highs lately.
I know. Yeah, it's so fucking annoying. If you want a better price, just gonna fucking chop the rest of the day.
Probably. Oh.
Bro. Just fucking run through that gap. We have so many fucking generated ones.
In a 5-minute inverse right now.
Honestly, but
I won't even come back to get my fill. It's not. It's gone now, dude. At least gonna go for the liquidity.
Are you gonna go for the comeback or what?
no,
Oh.
let me just see if we can get it close here.
That was crazy to see though.
It's comeback time.
Bad.
Well, it's our 40% level. Fuck.
Really
I don't like that we're
takes
trading.
that.
I don't like that we're trading into an inverse. Inverse 5-minute. I don't love that. Are these shorts or longs? Shorts?
Let me see if we can get it close here.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you can hover.
Just that wick, bro. It's honestly. I'm just not gonna take this.
Head and shoulders pattern.
Or in that 5-minute inverse. The only thing is, like, we haven't even. I still truly think we might draw to that high. It just. Here. Yeah, I like this look a lot better.
Damn, dude. There it is. There's my fucking trade. Here it goes. Oh my god, bro. Down to that gap. Oh. Fuck me in the ass. All the way down to full TP. That's my fucking trade. I didn't enter it because I'm a fucking bitch. I didn't like the setup, dude. Oh, not inside a fucking inverse 5 minute, but I guess it fucking works, I guess, this time. We're in an inverse 5 minute and we just had reactions off this 1 minute down here. But I thought I could at least trade it to the fucking 1 minute. Well, that was my trade today. I didn't take it. Shit. Honestly, it was a dick trade, too.
I think I'll just look at the take. Seconds is gonna matter.
I'm a fucking dunce for that, dude. I'm a dunce for that. I had that bitch marked out. I had the limit order set in like twice. Oh man. Just didn't take it. I didn't like this little itty bitty internal sweep, but apparently they work.
Yeah.
I wanted a prominent sweep. That'd be an A+ setup. This would have been like a B plus at most. And it was a 1 to 1.5. It wasn't even a 1 to 2, so I don't know. That just put me off.
We have assist on the 5 minute. This is looking. Wait, no, we don't. That puts us in 1 minute.
I'm so fucking upset about that, I'm not gonna lie. I even fucking had it at half risk. I was like, that's okay. I'll just go half risk. And I deleted the trade with half risk. It hit my target. It would have filled me to a tick. And then flushed to my TP. That would have been a really nice trade to be in. Oh well. Trendline bounce for you there.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be chop. I don't think it'll get up high enough to stop you out, though. I think it'll just keep chopping. I hope it breaks down. You're inside the triangle now, baby.
You might get stopped just because looking how choppy and gosh, bro.
Oh, your stop's there. It'll be really close to the top of the triangle. Hopefully it doesn't wick it out. $14.53.
There we go. Respect an actual gap. Of course, it's every single gap that I actually expected is against me. Like, it's so annoying, dude. Gosh, that's so annoying. This is gonna be like your actual look to the upside.
That would have been the re-entry on my trade. A lot of times these will dump off re-entering my shit.
Damn, you were in line about fucking price action.
Yeah, it's gonna be stop, bro.
Don't be so sure, yeah. A lot of times when I get a winning trade and it re-enters, oh, never mind, your stop is tight.
Bro, this shit, I'm actually so annoyed with this.
I
Like,
don't know.
bro, like, it's just back and forth. Really not like fine, but gosh, bro, this price action is so fuck. Like, look at this shit, bro. And then every single gap that you respect is in your opposing. Like, literally, like, and you don't even take out a low. Like what? Like you fucking chop around and fucking consolidate. Don't even go and take out a single. Like we can't even go this low. Like come on, really?
We're in the triangle now. It'll go back down. I don't think we can break out yet.
Just like look at the 15 minutes, bro. Look at the 15-minute time. And then once we set up to go higher, you can't go higher either. You just randomly fucking reverse. But then when you want to go look like it goes to the upside, it wants to just yeah, like what the fuck is this, bro? And you just randomly pump up.
Yeah, that inverse 5-minute fucking held today. Damn. That kept me from taking a trade.
I'm so sick of this shit.
Would've worked. Just didn't fucking get my stupid ass fucking inverse 5-minute gap, dude. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's fucking 11. Oh, damn.
Randomly fucking. Bro, I'm gonna just fucking take a break from this shit. It's so boring. It's the same shit every single day. Just not gonna trade until like I see people spamming price actions finally back. Thank you. He's so dumb. And then you inverse that, and you can't even take the look. Like you have two draws on liquidity, and it sets up to go to one, but it doesn't go to that one, and it like, and then you just randomly pump, and it doesn't give anybody a setup besides the motherfuckers who trade like the dumbest shit ever. What the fuck is this? Yeah, no, I'm definitely done. I'm just not gonna trade till I go to Colorado or something.
When you go to Colorado?
Like in 2 weeks.
Should be smoothed over by then, you'd think.
So. One pullback and just up to the upside. See if you take longs here. Your stop loss is fucking how many points? Like you have nowhere to put your stop loss. Fucking 165 points. But of course that's the one trade that will go hit. Oh bro. It gets to a point, bro. Come on.
We looked at that gap twice. That would have been like a triple fucking loser. I want to party. Can you come party with me? We'll play some golf today, I guess. Oh, yeah, it's after 11. I not really what I really want to do right now, honestly.
Yeah, that long waked me out, and that's let's see, only 25 points away from TP. That's so annoying.
Where did it wake you at?
For the long, if I had it at the low, put it, bro, I wouldn't have gotten. Uh, this literally would have been. It'd be up right now on this trade. No, I don't care about the buy much. I'm trying to look at my fucking. This trade would still be up right now.
Oh boy, dude. I don't think it's going, man. I don't think it'll even. I still don't think it's gonna go to your TP. Maybe eventually, but.
Yeah, I don't fucking know. It's knowing how price has been, probably not. Dang, bro. That's like the one time putting my stop there fucked me.
Oh. I guess I probably should have taken that. Although I wasn't gonna take shorts into that fucking 5-minute inverse, man. Honestly, I got lucky that it didn't fucking just react off that, you know? Although my TP was like, I don't know, my TP was at equilibrium, so I guess maybe I could have went a little bit further. That would have been a good trade. I just want setups. I want setups that don't have me trading into higher time frame, opposing confluence. That's what I want. If I can get that, I'll be happy as fuck. Oh, until I get that, I think I'm just chilling.
SMT here. Oh, big ol' SMT. This is honestly where I would it's my position, or at least like we'll just have to break even. Maybe even trimmed off like half the position. Then it'll fucking reverse. But since it's my position, we'll reverse. Go to break even, and then we'll go take. Maybe since I'm not in it, it's just gonna go straight to, which is also how that works too. I need to start like the OnlyFans or something, bro.
Here you go.
Fucking bullshit.
I mean, I think you're just going for crazy trades and then you take them into opposing confluence is what I'm seeing.
I mean, the thing is that long wasn't even opposing confluences.
Well, not the long. I'm talking about the short. I didn't take that short, and my targets are like probably 1/4 of what your targets are.
I know. I mean, like, there's like the only opposing gap you had was on it.
Well, we had an inverse 5-minute on NQ. Otherwise, I would have taken it. It was bullish. So it was a bearish gap turned bullish. We inversed it at 10.25, and then came back in, retested it, and then went up long. That's why I didn't go short at 10.45 because I saw that shit. I wasn't gonna try to do an inverse gap like that. Sketchy.
5 minute?
Yeah, it's on the 5-minute. The 10 o'clock bar made it.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Wow.
Yeah,
I
I did.
didn't even realize that was a fucking fair value gap.
Yeah, I'll say it louder next time because dude, I was so fucking surprised you were trading into that shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't. And if I'm not trading into it, that's bad. Dude, if I'm not trading, like my target is 24 points away. My stop might be 12 points, but like, dude, if I'm not taking a trade into that gap, it would have hit my target. But if I'm sitting, you should definitely sit because that's fucking. And it literally it reacted perfectly off that inverse too, where it went down, tested it, almost flushed it, and then just reaction straight to the top. If anything, that would have been a really good long entry.
Dude, that's not. Oh, my stop. Okay, that's just what I'm gonna learn now. Is no longer putting my stop at like chemicals.
So what was your first trade? I don't even know. What was your first trade?
First trade was long.
Long when? When'd you enter?
9:31.
9:31? Oh, our 9:31?
Yeah, arm. So 10:31.
Man, that is a late entry. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I know the only reason I entered is because ES tapped into that gap.
And then you put it would have been a 1-to-1.
I'll stop. Just going on like that external high.
1 to 1.5 ish.
Two.
Yeah, it's not a bad trade. If you would have, I would, yeah. Stop's definitely below those lows, though. You know.
But
That's another thing. The inverse 5 minute would have actually saved you from that too. That was honest. That was a good long, to be honest with you, because that was right after we inversed that 5 minute, and you took the tap on the inverse 5 minute. If you would have put your stop below that inverse 5 minute instead of
I don't know.
I would
They
say
were about to hit fucking take profit, of course.
yeah, that inverse 5 minute fucked you today. If you would have taken your stop, put it below that, which you should be putting it below 5 minute gaps, you know, versus like 1 minute. You'd have taken your stop back there, and then you shot for. If you put it literally on the edge of the inverse 5 minute, assuming it wasn't going to go any further, it would be a 1 to 1.8, and it would have hit.
Yeah.
You could do some extendo targets too, because we still have liquidity up here. And it'll probably go up there this afternoon. You could do a 1 to, probably get away with like a 1 to 4. 121-point target. I thought you heard me when I said that's why I wasn't trading.
No, I didn't. Because I usually, those are, for me, like, those would be marked out as a volume imbalances, which are basically the same thing as a fair value gap. Hey, bro. I didn't even realize that. Oh, that long, bro.
Yeah, longs are the right call for sure.
Dude, yeah, as soon as we took out that low from the news, it's just a matter of time when the setup shows. Fortunate.
Which is exactly why I didn't want to take shorts.
Yeah, shorts down to that first low before PMI where the move, like, fucking, what's his name took? D-Man.
Yeah, those were
D-Man caught
those were
shorts.
good. I just never got a fucking. Never got an entry.
Yeah.
I got a half-assed entry. That wasn't really my setup, but. What do we got for temperatures today? Hmm.
Not sure it wasn't really needed, to be honest.
Might be shorts up here. I really don't want to wait till fucking 11:20 to take a trade though.
Just gotta realize that stuff first time. Stop was up too low. That trade would have been saved. That's alright.
Oh my god, I might fucking, dude, I might bust a nut out of annoyment. I feel so bad for all my 0 viewers on this fucking stream that are just border than me. I haven't even posted a fucking trade in my Discord because I haven't had any fucking trades to post. That's 2 days now, 0 trade. I just don't want to take bullshit, but it really annoys me when bullshit fucking works. That's what.
Should be working all the time, bro.
Yeah, that's what annoys me.
For stupid reasons.
I lay off for bullshit, and then bullshit fucking works. Oh. And then the A+ trade I take doesn't work. That's what happened last month.
God, I like you said, I would have been in that trade.
There's someone in the chat said they made 370.
Yeah.
Oh shit. What's up?
Yeah, that's chosen.
If I'm gonna up my risk, I want the first trade I take to be better than a B setup. I don't want to trade into an inverse 5 minutes, so I'll stick by my guns on that one.
Yeah.
Last thing I want is to up my risk and then fucking lose, because you have no idea. They could have tapped the 5 minute, it could have flushed it like it did, it could have did fucking anything you wanted to in that shit. I'll be fine, I'll reserve my mental fucking... Reserve some mental space for when I actually go to take a good trade versus just eating losses that are dumb. For some reason, when you take dumb trades, they work as long as you take out your profits and liquidity. So maybe that's the next step. Maybe we just start taking every fucking retarded trade.
Sometimes they take stupid trades with stupid prizes.
Yeah, I suppose. I actually got a really good trade on Monday. But since then, it's been